Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. Before I return and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So congratulations to Melusi, Yeni and Thembinkosi Mthembu for winning their first TV awards on the KZN Film and Television Awards. Melusi won the Best Supporting Actor and Thembinkosi Best TV Actor. Melusi has been on TV since the old generations, and only now when he's acting on Sibongile Dlaminis, that's when he got to be recognized. On the other hand, Thembinkosi Mthembu was happy to receive an award for Shaka Ilembe. Thembinkosi joined the film industry a few years ago, but he has several accolades, including Hunk of the Year 2023 and People's Choice Awards in 2023 as well. Although this award that he won has recognized his acting talent, this was tough as Wiseman Ncube was also one of the nominees. I don't know what you guys think about this awards. To me, I felt like Melusi has been on the TV industry for the longest, and after 25 years, that's when they start to recognize his talent. It's not fair to me. Honestly, it's not even fair. On Thembinkosi, I think it's fair enough because he just joined the industry recently, and I think he's good at what he's doing. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.